Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to upload and play video in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you also have to log into your drive, and you are going to upload here the video that we are going to use. So once you're on your drive and you are done uploading your video, we just have to get the link for this video. So click on the share and then copy the link, and make sure that the access for this one is available to all viewers, or the link for this one is set to public. Okay, so now going back to your app, go to the data section and then go to your columns. Okay, and what you're going to do here is you just have to select the table, and for the table we are going to add a new virtual column. Okay, so click on the add virtual column at the top, this one, and then for the column name, just have to give this column a name. So I'm going to name this one as video. So just have to change the column name. Okay, and then for the app formula, make sure to type out right here video link. Okay, so just click on this one, and then for the app formula, make sure to type out video link, and then for the type you have to select video. That's right. After that, you have to click on done. Okay, so you have more settings right here, but let's skip that for now. Okay, so right here, since we already added here our new column, what we are going to do is to save our changes. Okay, so when you do that, you'll be able to see here now your link. So going back here to the app formula, let me change this to video link. That's right. Then after that, click on save. Okay, so as you can see right here, there are some errors, so we are going to correct that. So when you click on save right here, as you can see, we have successfully added the new column without any errors. Okay, so what we are going to do is to go to the display section. So go to the UX. Okay, that's right. And then we are going to create a new view. So here, click on the create a new view option. That's right, so we have this one. So give this view a name, and for this data we are going to select the table 1. Okay, and for the view type, since we are going to play the video, make sure to select decked or the detail. Okay, so as you can see, when you click on the decked, we cannot actually see here the video link, but when we clicked on the detail option, we can now see here the video. So you just have to make sure that the video is uploaded to your drive. So when you click on this one, as you can see, we have here now the video link. Okay, so let's try to click on the deck once again. So if you cannot find here the video, just click on the detail. Okay, and then after that, you just have to save your changes. So click on the save option at the top right of your screen, and then let us try to preview this app. Okay, so after that, you'd be able to see here now your video. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.